Hey y'all, it's Carolsue and welcome back to my shop. So today we have Temu Tuesday, y'all. And it's not a really big order, but I got two combined orders, and then when I'm done with it, I'm going to show you what I use these for. Okay, so let's just get to the first one. I've got them all out of the package, or out of the bags. So I'm going to try to get them out of the package each time and cut that out for y'all. I won't have to listen to it. So, I know. Nix out. Okay, the first item is their page corners, but they're paper instead of like metal. And they were $6.96. I got 21 cents off for price adjustment, so they were $6.75. And this is mixed color. Okay, and here is you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs, and I'll put the picture up. Y'all know how I do that. There's stars in the ocean. Imagining the distant twilight. Floating world impression. The agreement of the fly of the valley. The fantasy of dawn. And you can see on the back. I will put the picture up. And this is Pink O Dream. And price adjusted was $6.75. And each pack has, I say it has 5 in each one. That's what the pictures are. So let's go 5. So we're getting 30 corners for junk journaling or any kind of paper crafts you want to do. Here is A5 paper. It's 8.3 inches by 5.7. It was $5.62 and it's 36 sheets. I'm not going to show you I'll put the picture up. I'm sure it just has it looks like all the ones are, but I'll put the pictures up, y'all. But you could frame these or do whatever you want to with them. I got 36 sheets. This will make quite a few junk journals for $5.62. Next is 36 sheets. Doesn't have the name of it. And it's also A5 paper. This is more of just letter paper, stuff with words on it. I'll put the picture up. So I got 36 sheets for $5.13. 36 sheets also. I got, why don't they put, as y'all know, I number my things, so when I put it in the description box, with pinning it with what it is, I'll put what the name of it is, because it says A5, then it's got a, I can't see the number. Numbers are little. This was $4.50, but I will put the description of it. And this is a Halloween type. Like I said, you could cut these in half and put these in frames and frame it for artwork or the pages. So I got 36 of those, and I will put the picture. Okay, next is Alice in Wonderland. It's called Mushroom Alice, and it's 52 pieces. Oh, there's little stickers and other stuff, because I'm like, there is no way this is thinner than the other. It was $3.74. I got 2 price adjustments off for 24 cents, so it was $3.50. And I will show you the back page. See, it's a lot thinner. You get pages and you get sticker sheets. So it's like an Alice in Wonderland. And then you get the pages. Well, I just can't get these to work right, can I? I'm not going to show you every one of them. I've already been told, y'all know, I'm the most boringest channel on YouTube. So there's what you get for $3.50. And the last one of papers, and then I'll go into something else. This was $5.53, and it's 36 sheets also. More A5 papers of Halloween. So that's the end of my papers out of that order. These are 2 different orders, y'all. Okay. So my next, oops, no, like this. So for $3.11, I got 14 cents off, which made it $2.97. I have a wax melt kit, but I haven't used it yet. Well, this one is, let me see if I can do it this way. Can you see it? I'm sure you will be on the picture. It's a haunted house. So that's going to be cool to use. I only got 1 handle, so I got to switch it to this. And the reason to buy another handle for that. Okay. Oh, can you see my... Y'all haven't seen a video on this yet, I don't think. Well, I haven't filmed it yet. So I don't know when this video goes out. So for, now this is the second order. $9.12. I got 3 price adjustments off, like 83 cents, 10 cents, and 15. I didn't even add it. Sorry, y'all. They're going for $7 right now. 7 something. And these are 14-inch. I think it's 14 inch. Let me make sure. 6 pieces. I'm at my desk, so I have the measuring thing here. 15. And placemats, and I haven't seen these on the website for Dollar Tree, so I got 6 for that price. Come back. So I got 6 of these, the red. After all the price adjustments, it was $7.64 for 6 placemats. And I'm gonna go. Next, I got beige. It was $8.19. And with the price adjustments of 69 cents off, it was $7.50 for 6. And I put these on the back of my wreaths. So, really good deal. And they had multiple colors. I mean, like 6 or 7 different colors. Last is my orange. It was $9.28. I got 3 price adjustments, which I didn't write them all down. Sorry, y'all. So, with the 1 price adjustment I wrote down, it was $7.30. And like I said, this will be for my Halloween. The cream could be for any of the holidays, fall, Easter, 4th of July, any of them. And I got orange for Halloween, and I got red for Christmas. I already have black. I'm going to time out, clean this up, and then I'm going to do something. Show y'all. Okay. Y'all remember my wreath I made a few weeks ago? My Christmas wreath. In order for it to be done, I have to place this on there. And it goes right on the back. I think I got these from Temu, not for sure. Remember, I got a bunch of different colors. Oh, where's my... I like color matching, y'all. Y'all know me. So I'm going to need 4 of these. Got Whoops, I got 4 already. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie them. You're just going to put it through. Come on. They're not as wide open as Dollar Tree ones. Let me see, y'all. And I'm going to have to poke a hole. Where's my hole poker? Here it is. These are tighter than Dollar Tree ones. Now I know, I just poked a hole. Poke a hole and it disappears as soon as you poke it. Okay, you're going to poke a hole through there. And then you're going to tie it on a bar. Let me see if I can move it. So you're going to tie it on a bar. I had to go in a little further.